But this is the router. You can see it fits in very, very tightly into this space. It comes with tools, most important of which are that. I'm going to assume that you guys know how a router basically works. So I really just want to talk about the differences between this and any other. First of all, it comes with a box of alternative collets. You don't need it. All the collets work on the same shank, so there shouldn't be any need to change collets. It comes with a spanner. You have regular cabling to sort out, which just needs unwinding, figure eight like. The unusual features of this machine is, first of all, you've got an extraction which takes all the dust away from here, makes this area quite messy. You've got a pin here which drives into a hole in the shaft, which here it gets clicked, locks it up so that you can use the spanner to take off the collets. So for example, I can put this one in here. I can then do it up like so, and that's fine. When I want to undo it, which is always a little bit more different, you have to force it across, you keep going, and then you do it again. You use the spanner again, just forces the collet open. The router comes out. So this is very useful. The other unusual feature is the height adjustment. So you've got coarse, which is this knobby thing here, and it controls the rough position of the height of everything. You can control the height like that, but you also have the same position controlled by this, so you can make some more precise adjustments. So the principle of the router is to try and cut a form, can be quite complicated like this one, into a piece of wood or plastic, and you control the depth of cut either by sheer brute force or by using fences. And there's various types of fences built into this router. There's the ball bearing here that comes with this bit. There are router bits without ball bearings, and then you have to use a different sort of fence, and the three obvious ones are, in this case, the edge of this plastic piece, which gives you a consistent distance around here, or a straight line against here, or you can extend your positioning using this rather weird looking device here. All of that comes in the box and you're away.